All right, guys, Jeff and Bobby back again, round two. This time we're working with Mr. Hoover. Hoover's doing great. As you can see, some on-leash healing. He's a little bit more excitable than Minnie, but overall doing really well. Okay, so sit means sit and stay. Very nice. He's really excited for treats, and he lives up to his name, that's for sure. Wolfs that stuff down. Really nice on-leash healing here. Okay, now we'll do down stay. Down means down. Don't move. Very good. And then we're going to put him on place. Same rules apply like we said with Minnie. All four paws on the bed at any given time. Sit down or stand is acceptable. He can even move around on the bed. We just have to keep a good eye on him. Make sure we can see him at all times. And always return to him to release him by either freeing him up or healing him off. There we go. And that's a good look at Hoover and his on-leash control. Once again, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We'll go over all of this with you when you come to pick him up. Them up, I should say. Once again, enjoy the beautiful weather, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.